Rentamira is a data-driven marketing platform for short-term rentals. It's here to increase your visibility, attract more traffic, and help you secure more bookings. With Rentamira, you can easily analyze your market, optimize your Airbnb listings, create and schedule social media posts, craft engaging SEO-friendly blogs, and prepare effective email copy for your campaigns, all in one place. After login, you'll arrive at My Properties page, a dashboard where you can view all your listings and get a snapshot of their performance compared to the competitors. At the top, you'll see the overall portfolio performance. And you can also apply filters to see, for example, only the 2-bedroom listings and how they are performing versus their 2-bedroom competitors. This page is also where you can identify possible areas of improvement, especially for listings that are underperforming the market. Simply click on a listing to access its market intelligence, which serves as the foundation for your marketing strategy. By knowing your competitors, your target audience, and what makes your listing special, you can attract more qualified leads more effectively. Using your Airbnb URL or the new available integrations with your PMS, Rentamira first extracts the information about your listings and its performance, or what we call listing health score. This is based on occupancy, revenue, and the quality and quantity of your reviews. In the competitor section, you can review the listings similar to yours in terms of location, pricing, and the number of bedrooms. The app also gives you data on your ideal target audience based on the characteristics of your listing and reviews. When you put all this together, analyzing amenities and the feedback from your past guests versus your competitors, the app then gives you the listing's unique selling points, super important for your marketing campaigns. All of this data is then used everywhere else in the platform to create optimized content that already takes into account your target audience and your unique selling features. And it will be used specifically to be more effective in creating your social media campaigns and in preparing content optimization for your Airbnb listings, blog posts, and emails, so you have a more coherent and stronger presence across the board. In the Airbnb Optimization tab, we help you craft a standout listing description perfectly aligned with Airbnb's unique standards. We focus on creating engaging titles and descriptions, and we'll also guide you in choosing the most eye-catching photos, especially the all-important cover image that makes your listings really shine. Keeping your listings updated is key. So once a month, we'll help you highlight their best features, appeal to your ideal guests, and factor in seasonality with the upcoming events in your area. One of the key features is the cover comparison tool. Your cover image, paired with a captivating title, is essential in getting potential guests to click on your listings over others. With this tool, you can compare your cover photo against those of top competitors to make sure yours truly stands out. Social media marketing is Rentamira's superpower. In just a couple of minutes, you'll create and schedule your posts for the next couple of months on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Google Business Profile. What's very useful, and it saves you plenty of time, is that Rentamira tailors the format and content specifically for each platform. This means you can post across multiple social networks simultaneously, without needing to customize each post for different platforms. Here is the place where you can upload your images and videos from one unified location. You can then choose to create your posts by uploading content from your computer or phone, choosing from your Airbnb images, or promoting one of your blogs. Let's start by choosing a few Airbnb images. Click here on Airbnb and then select the images you want to post. you now have the option of creating 4 engaging types of posts: property highlights, guest testimonials, local attractions, and special offers. This allows you not only to promote your property, but also share valuable insights about your local area, showcase what past guests are saying, and keep your audience excited about special deals. It's a great way to connect with potential guests and help them envision a great stay at your place. Once you've done that, click Generate. Rentamira is now reading and understanding the content you uploaded, so it can create the perfect captions and hashtags for that particular post, based on your unique selling proposition and target audience. Additionally, you can now promote your blogs by clicking here and selecting one of your existing posts. You can choose from a few templates to suit your style. This type of post will add extra visibility to your blog, so you can attract more potential guests. Once your posts are generated, they will be scheduled and automatically published at the dates and times you've chosen. Keep in mind that you can always adjust that. We've just launched a fantastic new feature, blog marketing. It's designed to help you create personalized blogs that really engage your audience. Our blog writer produces SEO optimized content to boost your Google rankings while offering valuable tips and information to potential guests about the area surrounding your listings. To get started with your blog, simply click on an empty frame. First, choose your blog topic. Then set your primary keyword, either from our suggestions or one of your own. And after that, pick your secondary keywords. Rentamira will then provide you with a blog outline, which you can customize further if you like. Once you're happy with the outline, our tool will generate a complete blog packed with fresh content that has already been optimized for SEO. It is using links to authoritative sources and a strong call to action leading back to your website. When your blog is ready, you can publish it directly to your WordPress site at the best time for your content calendar. If you don't use WordPress, no problem. You can easily copy and paste the content into any websites or landing page. The email writer is a valuable tool designed to help you craft engaging emails that resonate with your audience, and that can be used for your email campaigns. Simply click on Create New, select the type of email you like to create, for example, property highlights. Choose the segment for your target audience, such as agencies, and then select the properties you'd like to promote. Set your tone of voice and then submit. You've just created a detailed and impactful email ready to be sent to your list of agencies. You can easily repeat this process with different email types, like offers and promotions, targeting a segment like past guests, for example. Select the email title, choose your tone of voice, and there you have it. Another email that perfectly aligns with your brand and audience. Finally, in the Help and Resources section, you'll find everything you need to get started and make the most of Rentamira's features. It is packed with answers to frequently asked questions, useful guides and videos, and you can read articles in our blog covering all things vacation rental marketing. You can even schedule a free one-on-one call with our experts anytime you need help. Plus, we've added a section with professional Canva templates for social media, brochures, and welcome books, along with a handy checklist for cleaning, maintenance, and hospitality touchpoints, all designed to elevate your guest experience and earn stellar reviews. At Rentamira, our mission is to provide you with the best marketing tools for your vacation rental business. We will save you time, increase your online visibility, engage potential guests, and boost your occupancy rates. Join us today and let us set you up for success.